Hello everyone, my name is Isabella and I'm the drylin SD product specialist here at igus. Igus has a number of different materials that we use for the dryspin product line. Today we're going to be highlighting iglide E7 and why it can help you in your application. Typically when I'm working with engineers, I find that 80% of the time iglide J will work for their application. For the other 20%, igus has specialty materials that cater to specific industries, such as 3D printing, which typically has strenuous, high speeds, and high duty cycle. iglide E7 is the perfect solution for this. Igus has provided iglide E7 as a solution for home tabletop 3D printers all the way up to industrial-sized printing applications. We can provide iglide E7 nuts in diameters as small as 6.35 millimeters all the way up to 14 millimeters in diameter. These particular lead screw nuts are injection molded, meaning that they have lower lead times and a lower cost. Another technical benefit of iglide E7 is the fact that it's extremely quiet running. iglide E7 is a softer material that creates a vibration dampening effect. Ideally, iglide E7 should be used in a lower payload application. This is exactly why iglide E7 works well for X, Y, Z, and even the print head for 3D printers. On screen, you can see here a wear chart comparing E7 to our other iglide materials. To request a sample or to discuss your application in more detail, please contact us at the email below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Isabella, and I'll see you next time.